All right, slightly different today. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to be starting with our whole number and we're going to divide it by our decimal number. So the problem we're looking at today is 3 being divided by 2/10. So what I'm trying to do and think about is how many groups of 2/10 are there inside of 3? So first thing we'll do, because we're still using manipulatives, is I've got 3 wholes. Because remember, that's what these represent. They represent one whole. Now, what I want to do is I want to break this apart into groups of 2/10 to see how many groups of 2/10 I can make. So for this, I'm going to color them. So all I'm going to do is break it apart. So I'm going to break each of these apart. All right. Now, I'm going to go through and just color them. So I've got, that's 1/10, 2/10. Okay. That's 1/10, 2/10. I'll leave this yellow. Then 1/10, 2/10. 1, 2, yellow, green. Realistically, it doesn't matter which colors I'm using. I'm going through and doing it more in a pattern, but that's just because I like patterns. I could switch back and forth between 2 colors, or it doesn't even necessarily have to be in some straight order. All I'm trying to do is just differentiate so I can clearly see, all right, this are where all of my groups of 2/10 are. All right, so the only thing that I have left to do, since I've gotten them broken apart into groups of 2/10, is see how many groups of 2/10 did I make. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, so 15. So when we take a look at this, okay, 3 being divided into groups of 2/10 makes 15 groups of 2/10. That should seem reasonable because if I'm dividing 3 by something smaller than 1, then just like when we had fractions, my number should get larger, okay? But I'm seeing how many small pieces are there inside of this whole. There should be more than what we started with.